Alright, so today we're going to tighten some bolts and let us see what happened. Well, run this down, tighten, good. Well, I'm going to use my spanner on this one. Let us tighten this one. Boom. Oh, broke it off. Oh my, this broken. See it? Broken. So the question, how am I going to remove this broken bolt right in here? Alright, the first order of business when I get something like this, instead of calling the machine shop, first you need some tool on hand. You will need a drill. I would prefer you to get something that can plug in. You'll need a drill. You will need an extractor set. And we'll need, can use a socket or an adjustable. And let us go to work. So the first order of business, this broken bolt right here. We're going to use a file. Can I get the file and the punch? Oh, this is broken. So file, ensure the surface is flat as possible. So we're going to file it. And we're going to use a double cut file in this situation because we want to file it to get it flat as possible. Alright, so when the surface is flat as possible, then we're going to use a center punch. And we're going to create an indentation right here with our center punch and our hammer. Enter indentation. Then we're going to select the most appropriate size drill bit. And people, this is very hard to drill. So let us put it right here. I'm going to get this body posture. Alright, so we're going to drill. So we have drilled the hole. That was very difficult. Then we're going to select our most appropriate size extractor from our set that we have. As a motor vehicle technology student, I would advise you to purchase an extractor set. So to me, this one seems like the most appropriate. Alright, this one. Let us try this one. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to tighten. Alright, so I'm getting a grip. So I'm just going to allow my hammer to help me. So I'm going to knock it with my hammer. Just knock it a bit with my hammer. Not too tight now. Alright. And then I'm going to tighten. So remember we pull anti-clockwise. So I'm going to tighten the extractor within the hole that I drilled. So I'm going to tighten that. So let us tighten and see what happened. Whoa, we get a turn, that's good. Get a turn, that's good. So while I'm using the adjustable, I turn the extractor and watch what will happen. While I'm tightening the extractor within the hole that I drilled in the bolt's supposed to come out. Let's see now. Yeah. Whoa, is it turning? Feel a little looser, so I can turn it with my hands now. And wow, I'm turning. Wow, what a long piece of bolt. Alright, so here it is. So here's the extractor, here's the bolt. I can use a vice grip to get this off now. Do you have a vice grip close by? Can I borrow the vice grip, please? Right. I'm going to use a vice grip to get this right here. And then I can use my adjustable to remove my extractor. So I'm going to pull anti-clockwise. Clockwise. Alright. Eventually it comes out. So this was the bolt that was giving us problem. This was the extractor I used with my adjustable, with my vice grip, with my drill, and my most appropriate drill bit. This is a modified drill bit, people. And I would advise you, when you're doing this type of work, try to get a center drill set. Because these center drill, it initiate drilling a hole extremely good. Alright, my punch and my extractor set. And that's how you remove a broken bolt using an extractor from the component that it was in. That's it.